So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight.
Stadium status. Yeah. Hey B, you ain't waste no time. I need everybody with me. Just do this simple thing. Whether you going true or pouring true. Yeah, lighters. Lighters. It's the young people. We is. I'm channeling my inner me, rap black and dope, so I'm handing it another key. As I pour a drink, sit back and kick up my feet. Check my watch, it's about 2:45, but the night's still young like Steve. So we scramble to gamble within a few hours we got left before the sun peak. There's plenty pretty women looking for a Richie G, so niggas get geared up trying to catch a Julia. Shit was funny how Common went after Drake. If I make comment that Canada line was great, but common sense will tell you hip